Right. This is it. This is done. You can see it. I still got to buff out the welds a little bit and stuff. I didn't finish buffing it. I just thought I'd put it on here real quick. I welded, yeah, so I got to clean all this up and round that out a little bit more, and then clean that up. I'm not going to do a whole lot with that. It's just going to be a big ugly in there because nobody will ever see it, and I don't want to mess with the box more than I have to because, well, just not good for the box, you know. It's, this stuff is, when you put a bunch of heat onto it, it tends to become brittle. I should have ran one more on the inside of this, but it's good. I don't care. It is what it is. And I attached all the outside. I ran some on there. Anyways, I did just what I said I was going to do. I used a 6011 and I tagged in the 7018, and then I went over it with LH, you know, 7018 332, and I started buffing it out, and then I thought, well, I'll just show you real quick what I got, what's going on. The box is fixed. Not gonna, hopefully it won't crack out anymore. I tried to keep the heat down. I let it cool down, and I started again and all that. And this is where my machine was set, 125. That's probably, I mean, that 5P runs right around 90. So I'd say it's, you know, somewhere in there, 90 area. I don't know what the 7 would be, or whatever that is, 7.5, or I don't know. Anyways, I don't care about none of that. I care about how it runs, what makes it run. So I don't usually look at the numbers. I just, if it don't run, or if it runs too hot, you know, I just turn up or down. And that's what's good about my remote too, because I don't even have to see. I can see my weld. But anyhow, this is it. It's a done deal. I just got to paint it and install it. It's going right there on that pole you see in there. And this is going to be the relay box for my air raid siren I'm building, which I'll have built here pretty soon. Not really, pretty soon. There's going to be a lot of steps. The whole thing, I have to start out with the turbine part of it, the part that blows the air, because that's going to determine everything. That's going to determine everything right there. The turbine hooked up, and then I got to install the motor, and then I got to hook the turbine to the motor, and then I got to find out, I got to set the pipe on there and find out exactly where the turbine holes hit, and then I'll cut the turbine holes, of course, and hopefully it works. I don't know, I never built one. So anyhow, this is it.